Hello everyone, myself Devanti Mogre, and today I am going to discuss about the retroflexion and retroversion of the uterus. First of all, we have to know what is retroflexion and retroversion. Retroversion is the turning back of the uterus. The normal position of uterus is anteverted, but the uterus, when the uterus is become downwards and backward, we can say the retroversion, and it's totally flexed downward, we can say retroflexion. You can see easily in the diagram. After that we will discuss the degree, first, second and third. In first degree, fundus is pointing toward the sacrum promontory. In second degree, fundus is lies downward below the internal os. In third degree, the fundus is lies below the level of internal os. After that we will see the causes. First, development defect during embryogenesis, due to development defect. Puerperal period due to stress ligament during childbirth and fibroid tumors. After that, pelvic adhesion during due to endometriosis because pulling the uterus posteriorly. After that we will see the incidence. Normally we can see in 15 to 20% of normal women. After that we will see the signs and symptoms of retroversion and retroflexion. So normally we can see in the patient chronic premenstrual pelvic pain, backache, dyspareunia, that means painful intercourse, infertility. In bimanual examination, body felt through posterior fornix, speculation examination, external O's pointing outward. Rectal examination is also help to confirm diagnosis. In prevention, we can say the patient empty the bladder regularly, do exercise for increasing the muscle tone, encourage the patient lying down in prone position for 30 to 60 minutes. For corrective treatment, we can advise for the pessary. Pessary is a device to introduce in the cervix that can pull the cervix backwards. In surgical treatment, ventral suspension of the uterus is helpful, that is placing round ligament both sides of the uterus rectal sheath. This is the retroversion and retroflexion. I hope you have understood. Thank you for listening.